Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to build your first starter Flutter app using command prompt and Visual Studio Code. So if you have already watched my previous videos about installing and setting up Visual Studio Code and Android Studio along with the Dart and Flutter plugins, and also the video about installing and setting up Flutter on Windows, then you won't face any problem in following this tutorial. Now the process of making your first Flutter app is pretty simple. We will start by creating a new folder. You can name it anything you want. Let's say I name it Flutter. Now open this folder and type cmd here and press enter. This will open command prompt in that folder or directory. Now you can check that whether your Flutter is working properly or not by typing in flutter doctor and press enter. If everything works fine, then you will get an output like this with only one error saying connected device, no device is available. So this is because we have no physical device connected to our system, and that's not a problem at all because we are going to use an Android emulator, which is a virtual device. So in next step, we are going to type in Flutter, create, and let's say we name our app new app. So this is the name of your app, and keep in mind that you have to type all the letters in small and then press enter. It will create a new app for you. After it's done, you should see an output like this. So in our next step, we will open the Visual Studio Code application. Just type in VS Code and click enter. Now simply drag the folder that you created over here. This will open your folder in the Visual Studio Code application. You can see your folder here and the files within it here. So this is the app that we created. Expanding it, we can see all the files and packages that were created automatically for this application. And here you can see Android and iOS. This signifies that both the Android and iOS releases are built along with the app simultaneously. Now if we click on lib, we can see a main.dart file here. So similar to any programming language, in Dart also we have a main file, and this is the file where we can find our main function, which is the core function which gets executed when we run the app. So this is the source file for the sample app which gets automatically created when you create any new application. So for now in this video, we are going to focus on how to run this sample app on our Android emulator. So for that, just click on no device. And here you can see your Android emulator. Just click on it. This will launch the Android emulator that we downloaded earlier in our Android Studio. So this is the Android emulator that we installed earlier. Now for running your application, just click on terminal and click on new terminal. And here type in cd and your app name that you created. And then press enter. Now we are inside the app folder that we created. Now type flutter run and press enter. This will launch this sample application in our Android emulator. So for the very first time when you run this command, it might take some time as it will build all the libraries and the files for the very first time. So if everything works fine, then you will see a Flutter demo homepage on your Android emulator screen. And if now I press this plus button, then you can see the numbers are increasing. You can try out some things in this sample application. Here inside the My Home page, if in the title I type My New App and just press R here, then you can see that the change is reflected here as soon as I press R over there in the terminal. So the R is for hot reload. That means all the changes that you made inside your main.dart file gets reflected inside your application without the application being closed and reopened again. Also, you can now change the color of your application from blue to green. Now if I press R here, then you can see that the theme color of our application is changed to green. So these are the basic things that you can try out on this sample Flutter app. And in our next video, we are going to erase everything from this main.dart file and start writing the code for a simple app from the very first line itself. Now you can visit the link given in the description to know about and explore the functionalities of the keywords and functions used in this code and to start writing code for your very own Flutter app. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, Then do it now to never miss out on any video.